We've talked about investing in retirement, but what's the magic number you need saved by the time you retire? How much do you need to invest per month to hit that number? Is retirement a myth? All that's coming up in today's video, so hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. Hello there, my name is Caleb and my goal is to teach you the boring topic of finance in an entertaining way. I'm truly honored that you're here. Also, I'm in a good mood. This is like my favorite shirt. What you're gonna need in retirement is gonna depend on a number of variables. 1, how old are you? 2, how much do you have saved right now? 3, how do you want to live in retirement? 4, how many times have you hit the like button? I gotta shoot you straight, facts don't lie. Data shows us the more frequently you comment and hit the like button, the easier it is to prepare for retirement. Alright, I'm not gonna pretend like I know the right number for everyone who's watching this right now. For the best chance at hitting the right number, you should really talk to a financial advisor for professional advice on investing. By no means should you take my word as gospel for investing. What I can do is make some assumptions and give you a pretty good scenario with some good numbers. Let's do it. First of all, let's say you're shooting for
$1 million.
invested when you retire. At a 6% rate of return adjusted for inflation, that gives you about $60,000 of growth that you can pull out of your account every year without affecting the $1 million. That is ultimate passive income right there. I think $60,000 per year in retirement is not a bad number to look at if you've got your house paid off and you aren't traveling all over creation. Now, let's look at 4 ages and the amount that you need to invest per month in order to have $1 million invested by age 65. For simplicity's sake, each example is going to be assuming no retirement savings have been made as of that age. Also, it's going to be assuming that you've already completed baby steps 1, 2, and 3. Check out the video here for a complete rundown of the 7 baby steps of personal finance. Baby step 4 is beginning to invest 15% of your income for retirement. If you're 25 years old, we're about in the same boat. You've got a lot of time left, but don't use that as an excuse for holding off on your investing. To hit $1 million by the time you're 65, you're gonna have to invest $503 per month into a 401k and or an IRA. Make sure it's Roth. Also, your contributions are gonna be only 24% of the total $1 million. Nice. The rest is growth. If you're 35, you've got a little less time, but it's still very doable. To hit that mythical 7th figure, you're gonna have to invest $996 per month, which you can do it. Your contributions are gonna be 36% of the total $1 million. 64% is growth, not bad. If you're 45 years old, it's time to crank up some heat. Editors these days. But don't get discouraged. You're gonna need to invest $2,165 per month to hit your $1 million. Your contributions to $1 million will be just over 50%. All things considered, not bad. If you're 55 years old, it's gonna be a challenge, but keep your eyes on the goal. If you have nothing saved, you're gonna have to invest $6,103 per month in order to hit $1 million by your 65th birthday. Your contributions will be 73% of the total $1 million. 27% will be your growth. Look at that, 4 decades of finances right there. Now before we move on, you know we gotta thank our sponsor, Plumbers. Thanks to Plumbers, when we had issues with our cast iron pipes breaking, I didn't have to fix it myself. If you ever need pipes, those guys got pipes. No, not those pipes. Okay, the lesson we learned from this is save now. Whatever age you're at right now, save, save, save. Save now! Kinda sounded like Jerry Seinfeld.
From coast to coast!
People, you gotta save now! Okay, maybe not. I talked in a recent video about compound interest and how that significantly impacts your retirement. Compound interest has one friend, time. Oh my gosh. The younger you are, the easier it is to take advantage of that compound interest. That's clear from the percentages. Starting at 25, you'll only have to contribute 24% of your $1 million. Starting at 35, your contributions will be 36% of your total $1 million. At 45, it's 52%. Starting at 55, you'll be contributing 73%. Compound interest allows us to make the growth curve an actual curve. The less time you have, the less compound interest you'll get, and thus, the straighter the line. We want our line to be curved. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, this graph shows the growth of your money over time with compound interest. In our 25 example, you can see the line is very nicely curved. At 35, it gets a little straighter, but still very curved. At 45, it's a little straighter. And at 55, it looks pretty straight. So how does this change your perspective on saving for retirement? Do you think you can do it? Obviously, many of these factors can change the outcome. You might have a higher average rate of return over the years. You may need more than $1 million set aside because of the lifestyle that you want to have. You may need less than $1 million, or you may already have money invested, which will really help. It really depends on what your goals are. So I'll pass this question on to you. What are your goals for retirement? Personally, Bailey and I really want to travel. There are a lot of cool places that we haven't seen. I want to hear from you in the comments below. Just let me know what your retirement goals are, where you want to travel, that you think that my arms need more tan. It's truly endless options. Oh, and make sure you hit that like button because that's how YouTube determines if it should share this video with others. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because then you can stay up to date on the videos that I have coming out to help you take forward strides in your personal finance. And with that, it's midnight and I'm exhausted. My tiny desk and I wish you a good night.